Have you ever been captivated by the unpredictable nature of certain coins, such as Bitcoin, that skyrockets in value and maintain it, while others plummet and never regain its former glory? Let's learn something new today and how we can make multiple gains with this knowledge. I will also drop a 1000% airdrop opportunity because I know you guys like it. Two things basically determine the price of a token: supply and demand. If supply is constant, then price will rise when demand rises and falls as demand falls. If demand is constant, then price will fall as supply increases and rises as supply decreases. Increase in supply of a token is known as inflation, and decrease in supply is known as deflation. Bitcoin is a top OG, firstly because of its huge demand, and secondly because more people have lost their Bitcoin private key than the available mineable Bitcoin, making Bitcoin deflationary by incident and not by design. So if a token can by design have a good deflationary mechanism that will push demand simultaneously, then it could be a 100x token in no time. IHF is pushing to become a 9-figure market cap in 6 to 18 months, and by my calculation, that is about 100x, and I will explain in this video. Let's look at the possibilities together. Then in the comment section, let me know by how many percent you think this coin can grow, and I will also discuss the 1000% airdrop opportunity. IHF is a token for Infinity Hedge Fund. There are two ways to look at IHF. One is its deflationary mechanism, which is termed gamified echo deflation tech, and two is its strategy to increase demand. IHF has zero inflation. Its maximum supply is 700,000 tokens, and a tri-bond mechanism ensures a steady decline in its maximum supply. Deflationary airdrop burning mechanism, smart D-based mechanism, and Uniswap V3 fee bond mechanism. If you purchase the IHF token, you can stake it or leave it in your wallet. When you stake it, you earn points for upcoming airdrop, and this is where the 1000% airdrop opportunity I've mentioned a few times comes in. To receive the airdrop, you have to burn a maximum of 10% of your staked IHF. Let's say you have $1,000 worth of IHF tokens staked and you qualify for the airdrop with a maximum allocation. It means that you have to burn $100 worth of your IHF to receive about $200 worth of the airdrop token, which if it does 5x at launch, you'll have made a 1000% profit. So you make gains as well as help burn IHF. Smart debates are for tokens that are not staked. If you don't stake your IHF, you may lose 0.05% of your IHF every minute. The way this is done is that every minute, stakers can choose a non-staking wallet to debase. 0.05% of the IHF in that wallet will be taken and burned. So this second mechanism discourages whales or anyone from holding to dump. The tokens will rather be staked, thereby removing it from supply. Note that when you stake, on staking within the first 48 hours comes with a withdrawal tax. For the Uniswap V3 bond mechanism, 1. Liquidity added to Uniswap is permanently burned to ensure IHF can always be traded. 2. All the fees generated are used to buy IHF and burned. Let me quickly show you how this works. So this is the Infinity Hedge Fund website. What I would do is to connect my wallet. So click here, MetaMask. It's on the Base network. So I could stake the Base, wrap, and participate in airdrop. But first, I have to go buy the IHF token, because if you look at my wallet, I don't have the token. What I would do is to go to CoinMarketCap. On CoinMarketCap, I'm going to search for the token, or I could simply come here and go to their Telegram group to get the contract address. So I type IHF here. So this is IHF Smart Base Token. And that is it. The price is currently at 23.74. Now what I need here is to copy this contract address on Base. Then I'm going to go to Uniswap because I want to buy the IHF token. I'll show you guys how you do that. In my wallet already, I have $500 worth of USDC. I'm going to use that. So on Uniswap, I'm going to select USDC because I have USDC. Then I want to buy IHF. So I paste that contract address I copied here. Then click on it. Then I want to buy $500 worth. This is going to calculate. So I'll get 20 IHF. So I'll go ahead and click on swap. Of course, you have your wallet connected already to Uniswap. Proof. So I have successfully swapped IHF. If I go to my wallet, I will not see it. So what I do is to click on import and enter the contract address, same contract address I copied, and click on next. Then I can see it. So now I'm going to go back to the website. I'll leave all the links in the description. Now, since I have my IHF, I want to go ahead and stick all of it. So I have staked my IHF now. I cannot stake by going here, but I will have to pay tax if I am staking within the next 2 days. After the next 2 days, I cannot stake without paying any tax. And when I go to debase, this is where I enter the wallet address I want to debase. And of course, I can wrap my token. I can participate in airdrop. This frog airdrop has been done already. And guys, make sure you join the IHF Telegram group so you're up to date with what is happening in the community. So the triple bond mechanism makes IHF Tokenomics well thought out. Holders have to stay staked to avoid getting hammered by debasers. Staking gives the opportunity to debase other wallets or farm airdrops, or you can do nothing, just have it staked and benefit from the price increase of these other activities I've mentioned. So now on the demand side, the founder Dozie Azov has a comprehensive post on X of the measures to push pressure on demand. One is that the token already have a deflationary mechanism. Two is his promise to the whale holders that he has in an exclusive group. He has promised them to work his ass off so they won't need to sell. He will also facilitate OCT deals among whales and influencers so the old ones won't need to sell to the market. 3. Some whales have promised to burn their IHF token over time. I'll leave the link to his post on X. Guys, a lot of influencers are going to start talking about IHF. The goal is to push IHF to become a 9-figure market cap token within 6 to 18 months and have it listed with a tier 1 exchange. There is also an upcoming partnership with Breath. Breath is the biggest meme coin on the Base ecosystem. Now, if all this is achieved, that is the potential 100x within this time frame from its current price. Guys, remember to always make your own research before investing in crypto. Now guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think the price of IHF is going to be within the next 6 months?